Hi, my name is Sarah, and today we are going to be cooking with the co-op, making infused waters. The first water that we're going to be making is a local peach, local basil, and strawberry infused water. Then we are also going to make a cucumber, lemongrass, and ginger infused water. So we're going to start with the strawberry peach and basil infused water, and I'm just going to start chopping up all the basil right now. Next, we are going to move on to the peaches. The next one we're going to do is we're going to slice some of our strawberries, and we're going to slice them from front to bottom, okay? And I've already pitted the middle. Okay. And then we just give it a little stir. The next one that we're going to be doing is we're going to be making the cucumber, lemongrass, and ginger. The one thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a really nice sharp knife. The next step is we'll probably only use one stick of the lemongrass. I just wanted to show how pretty it is. And again, we're just going to use a really sharp knife to kind of cut thick chunks of it. So I'm just going to do thin slices of the cucumber. And because it's certified organic, I'm not going to worry about peeling it. It's a pretty thin skin on the cucumber anyway, so it will be fine to leave that on. There you are. You have the peach, strawberry, and basil infused water, and the cucumber, lemongrass, and ginger. And you can just keep refilling with tap water and more ice over the next day, and you'll still get those really wonderful flavors. Thanks for watching Cooking with the Co-op. We'll see you next time.